Right, I've just met up with Jamie. Hi Jamie, you alright mate? Right, Jamie has got this beautiful Aprilia Tuono 1100 factory. Very gorgeous and pretty it is too. Jamie had seen the little ride out I had done with Mark, R1 Mark and Mad Mark, and said how about we meet up and do something similar. So Tuono V4 1100, absolute beauty and a beast, is the factory edition. So it's got everything. It's got the Alinis, it's got Brembo. Jamie's also had the Arrow exhaust here, which he's had the bike remapped, and it's given him 20 plus brake horsepower in mid-range. So I'm sure this bike is going to be nuts in comparison to this. I love the BMW, but there's something very, very special about the V4. All right, Jamie, should we go? We're going to tag on up through Cheddar. We've just met up. We're going to go and grab a coffee, have a chat, and then go for a little ride. What a beautiful day. It started off all wet and rainy this morning. I've been out test driving cars and doing reviews of cars, which is just very weird. Carry on, Jamie, start them up. Oh. Oh. Listen to that. Oh, listen. Oh. Oh, it's going to be one of those days. Right, let's go. Stop playing with Jamie's throttle. Right, it's time to swap. Let's do a swapsy. Let's go. Jamie's already had a Gen 1 BMW, but this is my first go. It's taller. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. We're off. Oh yeah, she's a goer. Oh my god. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. You can tell this thing just wants to wheelie. I'm not going to go there though. Oh dear. What a beast. We're off. Wow. Wowzers. So much torque, so much power. Sounds so good. Oh, oh, beautiful. Wow. Jamie has been truly generous. Just said ride it, Grizz, that's what it's there for. I just said we'd go steady. He said just do whatever, enjoy it. Thank you, Jamie. It's a lovely bike, absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna be going down to the Aprilia dealership after this, wanting to buy one. So easily to maneuver as well. Oh, sounds gorgeous. Super comfortable. I can see why this bike's so popular. Popular. Wow. Just oodles and oodles of power. With so much torque. It's just power everywhere. Wow. That is impressive. What is this here? Biker okay? You okay? You okay? Yeah? Yeah, they're good. Right. my god, I could get into so much trouble on one of these. Oh, beautiful. Oh, listen to that. That is effortless. Effortless speed. Makes my bike feel slow. Right, Grizzly's having too much fun. It's just really hard, this bike just completely encourages you to be a hoodlum. Total hoodlum. It's a hooligan bike and I love it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow. Wowzer. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. What a bike. Oh my god. This is addictive. This machine, oh, so addictive. So much torque. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love again, guys. I'm in love again. Now, I'm not going to go too much into the specs on this bike. I just want to go into the pure enjoyment factor of this Aprilia Tuono. Is a V4 1100 factory version. It's got all the bells, all the whistles, it does it all, it has it all. You've heard all about it already, so Grizz isn't going to bore you with it all. Let's just enjoy this bike for the beast that it is. It's like, it's kind of like, it's like a piano on steroids. It's just it's just nuts. I love it. I do actually love it. Comfort is spot on. No problems with it. Grizz could ride all day. Although, to be honest, my bike at the moment is very good. What with those RNG rear sets, is very comfortable. But this is just on another level of comfort and also another level of torque. It's just a torque monster. And it's really good, really settled, this bike. There's no nervousness to it. I mean, the suspension is super comfy, it's soft and super lovely. It's just, it's amazing, actually. Amazing bike. Yeah, Grizz is in grave danger of buying a Tuono. Just feel the front just starting to skip on the horizon of the terra firma here. Front's just starting to lift off a little bit. I do like this bit of road. Someone couldn't park their car properly, could they? Oh, so lovely. Just, we have slight lift off. Grizz isn't big on wheelies, but I have a feeling if I owned one of these, I would become one. Wheelie! Oh my god! Unintentional torque power wheelie. Oh my god. Wow, wowzer, wowzer, wowzer. Really quite amazing. Oh, awesome piece of kit. Thoroughly recommend the V4 Tuono, guys. Oh my god. Wowzers. Right, we're back on again, and we're having so much fun. We're gonna go down to off to Weston. This time I've got it in race mode. Could be trouble ahead. Could be trouble. Look at all this grit here. So guys, grip right out. This thing just wants a wheelie all the time. It takes quite a deal of restraint to ride this bike sensibly. It does absolutely encourage you to push it on. Race mode is definitely more power, I would say, a little bit more aggressive. Got to be careful on these roads. There's a bit of gravel down, so let's be sensible now. Yeah, right, race mode, I don't know, still feels powerful. Feels probably just as powerful as sport mode, except for, oh, do you hear that little poppy? Except for it's just a bit more aggressive. But what a bike, actually. This is really something else. Comfort is just brilliant. The power and torque delivery is just endless. It's just, I cannot open this bike up fully. Not really. I'm being gentle with it, believe me. It is stupendous though, and the amount of feel in those front Brembos is beautiful. It's probably not got quite as strong a initial braking bite as my bike, but the amount of feel there, the feedback from that front brake is great. It's very good, and they are super strong when you get on them as well. So much gravel down here, it's not even funny. So overall comfort on this bike, even at low speeds, is very good. It is actually quite easy to ride at a low speed. You don't have to. It does encourage you to kind of, you know, push on and go a bit quicker, but it is actually quite easy. Other bikes that are coming up is Lamb Chop's GSX R1000 and the H2. Don't miss those video, guys. They are gonna be nuts because this thing's got a lot of torque. Well, I think the H2 is gonna have a lot more again. So God help me, I think I'm gonna wet myself. Gonna have to get the tenner for men out. Gonna have to put my big boys pants on. But this is absolutely gorgeous, a real treat. Thank you again, Jamie. I'm absolutely loving it. What a treat Grizz is having. What an absolute treat. He's feel actually a little bit emotional, a little bit emotion. Being treated so well as late and given so many opportunities, and people have been so lovely to me. I really do appreciate it, guys. I'm feeling the love. Thank you very much. Oh. Sounds lovely. I think this is a good fit actually for me. I did sit on one of these in Fowler's and I thought the bike was too small for me, but now I'm actually on it and riding it, it feels absolutely perfect. My knees just fall just nicely in under the tank here. Everything just falls where you want it. The seat feels, it's quite a tall bike when you compare it to my bike, but the saddle height, but the footrest height is actually great. I've not got too much of a crease or fold in my leg. My feet are kind of quite low, you know, on the footrests, if that makes sense. So yeah, it's very comfortable for Grizz. I'm 5'10", so if you're 5'10", I think this bike would fit you perfectly. Maybe if you're 6'2" upwards, then you're probably going to find it a bit more cramped, but you may be fine. Again, there's loads of room here actually, so it might even suit the taller rider. I'm sure it would, because those foot pegs are nice and low. I'll be sad to hand this bike over, because it's been a lot of fun, a hell of a lot of fun. Want to swap? No, I mean, like, do you want to swap permanently?
Permanently.
Permanent swap? No, no swaps.
No permanent.
Can't blame him. Can't blame him. I tried it, guys. Every time I try it on, gotta try your luck on. You never know. Someone might just think it's a good deal. Right, here we are. Coming in. Incoming. More coffee incoming. Right, we're off. Coffee consumed, completely caffeined out now. So that was awesome. Thank you again, Jamie. It was absolutely brilliant. Thank you. Funny now being back on the beast, on the BMW. Is Grizz buying a Tuono? No. Would he want to? Yes. But no, I'm not. But it was a lot of fun. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Anyway, Grizz is off back home. I've got to go pick up Taffy quickly. And yeah, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And many more to come soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Speak to you soon. Love you loads. Bye bye. Thanks, big thanks to Jamie. Thanks, mate. Love your Tuono. Gonna have lovely fluffy dreams about V4 Tuonos. Thanks again, everyone. See you later. Bye. The Beamer, still love the Beamer. The Beamer is excellent. It's just an awesome piece of kit. It's a proper top-end screamer, the Beamer. Anyway, I'm going to shut up and go. Thanks again, everyone.